swoim poprzednim wejściu mówiłem o tym, że na targach są obecne kraje, które nawet w Polsce mogą się wydawać egzotyczne, typu Djibouti, Gabon, Angola. Właśnie jesteśmy na stoisku Gabonu i o ciekawostka, jedną z pań reprezentujących Gabon jest po prostu Polka. Witam panią. Mam takie pytanie, jaki jest cel tego stoiska Gabonu, co chcecie państwu przedstawić wszystkim tutaj właśnie w Genewie?
Chcemy pokazać naszą nową technologię, która jest w Gabonie. Technologię, internet, telekomunikacje, ponieważ nowy prezydent Gabonu chce bardzo uczestniczyć w rozwoju telekomunikacji i ponieważ dlatego tu jesteśmy, żeby pokazać całemu światu, że my też jednak potrafimy się rozwijać.
Obecnie gościmy na stoisku NTT i mamy przed sobą panią wicedyrektor tego koncernu, której będziemy chcieli zadać kilka pytań na temat, jak wygląda obecnie status technologii cloud computingowych w Japonii. Alright, so now I switch to the English. We've got prepared a few questions for you. First is, Japan is generally seen as quite modern society and Japan as a modern country. How is cloud computing popular in Japan?
It's getting very popular now. We used to have each enterprise is trying to make their IT resources optimal within that company itself. But nowadays, we face the situation of economic problem, etc. So each big enterprise is trying to push the computer resources outside, rely on outside resources. And in Japan, the cloud trend is starting from the enterprise sector, and it's getting more into commercial sector too, or individual sector too.
Which economy sector in Japan uses cloud computing the most?
Okay, the expanding very fast, quickly applied is, for example, in the commercial sector, e-book or e-solution to any or SaaS operation, software as a service operation. It is emerging, but enterprise side, banking, also medical sector and education sector, each sector is trying to make the whole system, IT system, into cloud-based.
Do you see any constraints for the evolution of cloud computing?
Okay, in the cloud, how to protect individual people's data in a secured way, that is a very important point. When you use a cloud ICT environment, you will really rely on the operator for the individual data. How to protect the individual data, that's one thing. Also, to make its broadband infrastructure needs to be securely set to safely store the information, data, etc. Broadband facility network is a must. Also, a very neat platform to make the data flow freely, flexibly. That's very important too. So you call it a barrier, but it's a must component to make a cloud into real workable system for the society.
It is generally known that cloud requires broad, fast internet access. Don't you think that this may be the big barrier for cloud evolution? How can we solve it?
Yes, I must tell you, Japan has a very good network already in place. It's called NGN, Next Generation Network. It's the ITUT specified its technology. We use the ITU originated technology and make a whole nation's network into whole IP. So it's got a very smart network broadband facility already in place. So 90% of the whole country's backbone network is already IP. So we have
incredible.
It's a very massive investment, but within 5 years we already put to that level. So we have the infrastructure already in place.
How do you solve the problem of storing private personal data in Japan?
Right. Take example, in a municipal government in a small city, the government has the rule not to bring the personal data outside of the region to protect the residents' data. So each municipal government has that protection rules. So it's very difficult to make a cloud, bring the data into cloud system. So first, we need to change the regulator's mindset. It's good. We will, please believe us, as an operator, will be securely store the residents' data or health data. So first, change the rule. Also, we need a very secure technology to protect, encrypt technology to make the data not breakable into divulged to the other operators, etc. And we have the technology to do that.